Good morning. Today, I will share my monthly trading results. The signal came on January 12th, at the close of the last 4-hour candle. I opened a bullish trade, placing the stop loss on the weekly pivot. In the following days, the price underwent another retracement, taking the stop loss and then making a new bullish impulse. I appreciated the graphic setting of the operation, and so, I am fine to have tried this operation, even if it went wrong. As often happens, this operation had a less beautiful graphic design than the previous one, however it was successful. The signal arrived on January 19th at 11 a.m., at the close of the 4-hour candle. The price started the week with a small bearish move, bouncing off the EMA 100, and then closing the weekly gap. I opened a bullish trade, in line with the weekly analysis, by placing the stop loss on the low of the week. After a brief retracement, the price has made the bullish movement that I was expecting, allowing me to close half of the trade to guarantee myself a profit. Then, I moved the stop loss to break even. The price began to retrace almost immediately, hitting the stop profit, and thus, closing the second part of the operation in balance. I expected more from this operation, but still made a good profit. The signal came on January 19th, at the close of the 4-hour candle. During the previous week, the price has made a decent bullish movement, hitting the EMA 200. At the beginning of the new week, the price attempted a new rise, slightly exceeding the high period, and then, suffering another retracement. The signal candle has crossed the weekly pivot, also breaking through the week's opening level. I opened a bearish operation, placing the stop loss on the maximum of the period. Before falling, the price has undergone another retracement, a sign that the bearish movement has lost a lot of strength. When I reached the risk-reward ratio of 1:1, I closed half the operation to guarantee myself a profit, moving the stop loss to a break-even position. The opening of the new week caused a decent bullish movement, large enough to hit the stop profit, and thus, closing the second part of the trade. The signal came on January 26th, at the close of the 4-hour candle. During the previous week, the price has made a good bullish movement, with a slight retracement. The following week, it started with a new upside attempt, followed by another short retracement which caused the price to bounce off the EMA 100 and weekly pivot. At the close of the 4-hour candle, I opened a buy operation, placing the stop loss on the low of the candle, which corresponded to the weekly pivot. The price bring the operation to profit, allowing me to move the stop loss to a break-even position, to protect me from any retracements. I closed half the trade to guarantee myself a profit. As is often the case during indecision phases, the price has undergone a large retracement that hit my stop profit. If you want to see other operations, visit the weekly operations section of our blog. Thank you, and see you next month.